एक परजीवी पार्टी बन चुकी है। ये खुद तो डूबती है, अपने साथियों को भी डुबोती है।
बहन जी आजकल चुनाव ठीक से क्यों नहीं लड़ रहे? ये भी सच है जी सर। अब हम चाहते थे कि बहन जी बीजेपी के विरोध में हमारे साथ लड़े। जी सर ये बात सही। मगर मायावती जी किसी न किसी कारण नहीं लड़ी। तो ये भी मतलब हमें तो काफी दुख लगा, क्योंकि अगर तीनों पार्टियां एक साथ हो जाती तो बीजेपी कभी नहीं जीत सकती।
Hello, good evening. Thank you very much for joining us here on Times Now. This is Blueprint Explosive Exclusive and I'm Hina Gambhir. Viewers, is Rahul Gandhi even serious when it comes to politics? Or is this just another one of his episodes of political delusion? Here's a leader whose party has been reduced to a ground zero in Delhi, whose allies are abandoning him every single election and are showing him the mirror almost after every election. And yet, he has the audacity to lecture Mayawati on election strategy. Really, Mr. Gandhi? After sinking Congress's ship in Delhi, in fact, Rahul Gandhi now claims that had Mayawati's BSP joined hands with the Congress party and the Samajwadi party in Uttar Pradesh, BJP would have been defeated. The same Congress party, viewers, that lost every seat it contested in Delhi is now projecting itself as an expert on winning elections. Mayawati too didn't waste time in giving it back to Rahul Gandhi. She first called out the Congress party's casteist approach and then hammered the Congress party for failing its allies, and finally Mayawati mocked the Congress party for the drubbing in Delhi. Mayawati sniped back at the Congress and accused Rahul's grand old party of playing the role of BJP's B team in Delhi elections. And viewers, Mayawati is not alone. In fact, over the last few months, key constituents of the INDIA bloc, be it Mamta Banerjee, Pinarayi Vijayan, and how can we forget Umar Abdullah, and even Uddhav Thackeray's Shiv Sena, they all have indicated, some subtly, some directly, that the Congress is indeed becoming a liability for the Vipaksh. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Parjeevi tag too now seems to be sticking strongly to the Congress party. The question is, what next for the grand old party in the INDIA bloc specifically? Will allies read the riot act? Here are some reactions.
और जहाँ तक कांग्रेस मायावती जी के बारे में या मायावती जी अखिलेश जी के बारे में अगर कुछ कहती हैं तो हमारी नज़र में सपा बसपा कांग्रेस एक ही थैली के चट्टे बट्टे हैं। ये अलग अलग लड़े चाहे मिल करके लड़े, खिलेगा कमल ही सुशासन का विकास।
आदरणीय बहन जी का जो जवाब है उसी में सब कुछ छिपा हुआ है कि उनकी मजबूरियां क्या हैं। देश के हर मामले पे भारतीय जनता पार्टी के साथ संसद में हमने उनको खड़े होते हुए देखा है।
She had cheated, she had betrayed Dalit cause and started from very humble background, but of course minted money, and then now she is afraid of ED, CBI, and that's why acting as a B team of BJP.
So you heard the reactions, viewers. So the question we are asking is Congress party actually becoming a liability for its friends as well? Remember, Parjeevi is the word that the Prime Minister has used many a times for the Congress party. But now are the friends of the Congress party also realizing the same? Sample this. We have some data to show you how has been the performance of the allies and the Congress party when they have either fought together or separately in the states. Look at Delhi, recently concluded elections. Remember, both Congress as well as Aam Aadmi Party did not come into an alliance together. Eventually, Congress Party ate into Aam Aadmi Party's votes. Aam Aadmi Party's strike rate was 31.4% and for Congress, it was 0. Third time, they could not open the account in the national capital. Then remember J&K assembly elections, there also Congress party was dependent on its ally, the NC. NC strike rate, just look at the number there, 75%. And if you see the Congress party, the strike rate there was 15.38%. What used to be a big player in the politics, it seems is now, its stature is slowly coming down. Look at the Uttar Pradesh polls. The data is from 2022. And remember, UP ke ladke became very famous. Both Congress and the Samajwadi Party joined hands. A strike rate of Samajwadi Party 31.98%. Congress Party 0.5%. And then we have the recently concluded Maharashtra elections as well. Just see how the Mahavikas Aghadi lost the elections, and the strike rate, in fact, was just 15% for the Congress Party. They managed to win only 16 seats out of 102 that they contested. And then in Jharkhand as well, in fact, Congress Party was dependent on its own ally. And just see the difference in the strike rate here. 79.06% for JMM, got 34 seats out of 43 that it fought. And Congress strike rate was 55.33%, 16 out of 30 seats that it contested on.